What's up, guys? Here, Danny, hanging out with Aaron from FabWorks. He's doing my 3D scanning for the C5 Corvette wide body, as you can see. Taking a bunch of data and turning it into 3D print so we can have parts quicker for y'all. We'll see. Right, Aaron?
Absolutely. Quick as possible.
Quick as possible. What are we doing?
Right now, just capturing all the markers as a file so that the software can pre-calculate accuracy.
Oh, awesome. There's going to be some calibration going on. Oh, that's a scanner right there.
This is actual scanning.
Here we go. Scanning Defender to see what we get. I got, I think, shoots like a grid. Pretty wild. So in this video, I'm watching Aaron just capture the panel that he's about to scan, take some renderings of it. The man's a pro at it, so really, I'm just watching him, taking notes and taking a view of what he's doing. So what do we got?
So there's a fender.
We got a fender already. Dang. Well, let's send it to the printer, right? All right, here we go. So now we're scanning the rear. As you can see here. Scanner is pretty awesome, and it's getting some really good resolution on it. Those lines, like, is that tracking lines, or what does that do?
That's the actual data pickup lines.
Okay. Just trying to check that out. That's cool. You can see here, that's the near rear fender being scanned. When it misses a spot, does it go like red or something?
So what you see here, if it's blue, it's verified data. If it's yellow, that means it's not enough there for it to say, yeah, this is verified data.
Okay.
So that's why, like, you know, if you just happen to skip out across the top like that, it didn't really, just one pass over like that, it's there but not really there.
Okay.
But if it's blue, that means it has seen it with both cameras multiple times, and it can say,
awesome.
Yeah, that's good data. And
sick, man. Love it. We'll see how it comes out. Funny. Oh, there it is. There's the fender. There's the rear. We're gonna take it and get it printed and put it on, do some more body work. But you can see how the detail is. Go ahead and do it. Look at the details on this. You can still see like little sanding marks. Because of course I haven't put primer on it yet, so yeah, there's imperfections on here. But once we get the printed part, then there's still more body work to do, so it doesn't really matter. It's just easier to do it this way and then go ahead and body it. Get this job done, so be on the lookout here. Soon, March, C5 wide body kit drops, and I'm excited to bring it to you guys. So, peace.